We're making goat milk soap this morning. Here's what we do. Got our molds set up here. These are 10-pound molds. These are handmade wooden molds that I made. They're all set up and lined right now to pour the goat milk soap in. We have our oils and everything mixed in here, waiting for our goat milk and lye solution that we will add to this along with our essential oils. We freeze the goat milk soap so when we add the lye, because it does heat up a water solution or a goat milk, which we use pure goat milk and don't add any water, this takes and melts slowly and doesn't curdle or make our milk turn brown. Stays a nice creamy white. And we'll add this as soon as it all melted to our oils, which we will hand mix until it saponifies, and then we'll pour in our wood molds. After we've mixed all of our goat milk and lye solution in with our oils, we'll add our fragrance oil and our oatmeal. This is colloidal ground oatmeal, and we are making oatmeal and honey soap with the fragrance and the oatmeal. We'll add our honey, which is wildflower honey that we get right here from Robin Hill Farm right down the road. So now we've got the lye solution and goat milk mixed in with the oils, and we've added the fragrance oil along with the oatmeal and honey, and now we'll continue to mix until it goes to trace. Trace is where it starts thickening up and becomes kind of like a thick pudding, and you do that before you pour into the molds. So we're going to mix now. Getting thicker, but not quite to trace yet. We'll keep doing that until it gets to trace. Alright, so everything's mixed. It's gone to trace. It's nice and thick now. We're going to pour it into the molds. Trace kind of quick, so you gotta move kind of quick, get them to the right level. When we get done, we'll tap these out, make sure we get all the air bubbles out of them. Put tops on them, we'll set them on the shelves for 24 hours. They'll saponify. Saponification process is when the lye and the oils and proteins in the milk combine together, and in 24 hours it'll be neutral. The caustic lye will be completely gone. It'll be a brand new chemical. There won't be anything bad in it. You can actually eat it if you wanted to. Like I say, pure goat milk, no water, premium oils, and this is how we make our goat milk soap. And these are your guest bars. I take the got the mixture measured out to where we can make 4 loaves, which is about 100 bars of soap one time. And we also add our guest bars here at the end. And then these all go on the shelf like this for 4 weeks to 6 weeks until they cure. And you see the soaps up on the shelf? Okay, so we'll start with a new log, because someone didn't tighten the strings. With a fresh log, we'll take and cut the end off, because we want it nice and straight and pretty for you all. So we cut the end down through. This is made by Plowboys up in Michigan. They made it specifically for our soap. It's the right spacing and the right size, so we get out after they're cured and dried approximately 4.5 ounces of soap in our soap bar. and they go on these racks. I think I mentioned before, 4 to 6 weeks to cure. But the soap now, as of 24 hours, is all saponified. The lye that it combines with the oils and the goat milk, it's completely gone. There's not a trace of it left. The chemical change, it's called saponification. And you could actually eat this bar now if you wanted to. And I would recommend you keep it away from children and pets because it smells really, really good. And we've had lots of kids and baby and puppies that will eat the soap. So keep it away from them. But anyway, that's how we do it. Thanks for visiting.